Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your account in Mingle2 dating app. So first of all, if you haven't downloaded the app, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. I'm Android user, so I'll be showing you downloading through Play Store. First of all, go to Play Store or App Store and search for Mingle2. Beside the app name, you will see install button. Tap on that and wait until it's completely installed. As you can see that my app has been completely installed. Now I'll tap on open. Now the Mingle app has been displayed on the screen. You must tap on sign up button, so hit the red button. Here you have two choices to sign up. You can sign up with your email ID or sign up with your Google. I'll tap on sign up with email. Now you must select the details asked by the app. Here it says, are you a male or female? You must tap on anyone. Also it says what you are looking for. You can select anyone. Now in the given text bar, you must enter your email ID and a password. After you have entered your email ID and a password, tap on continue, which is at the bottom middle of the screen. Now you must enter your first name in a given text. Also you must select your date of birth. After you have entered details, just tap on continue button, which is at the bottom middle of the screen. Now if you want to enter your photo, you can tap on plus sign and upload a photo, but if you want to skip, just tap on skip, which is at the bottom of the screen. Here I'll tap on. Now you can tap on get started or skip. I'll just tap on skip. If you like anyone, you can just tap on the picture. So this is how you can create your account in Mingle2 app. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.